Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick crypto tutorial. Today, we're diving into how to send Solana from your Phantom wallet to Bitmart in 2025. With the crypto world evolving fast, this step-by-step guide will help you make secure transfers without any hassle. Whether you're a beginner or just brushing up, let's get started. It's easier than you think. First things first, ensure you have the Phantom Wallet app installed on your phone or browser and that you're logged in. Open it up and head to your wallet dashboard where you'll see all your assets listed. Step 1. Locate your Solana (SOL) balance. Tap on the SOL icon to select it. This brings up your available amount and the send option. Step 2. Hit the Send button. Before you proceed, you'll need the recipient's address. Switch over to your Bitmart account. Log in, go to the deposit section, and select Solana. Copy the deposit address provided. Pro tip: always double-check this address to avoid costly mistakes, as crypto transactions are irreversible. Step 3. Back in Phantom, paste the Bitmart address into the recipient field. Next, enter the amount of SOL you want to send. Don't forget to account for network fees, which can vary based on Solana's congestion. Aim to leave a little extra to cover them. Step 4. Review all the details on the confirmation screen. This includes the amount, fees, and destination address. Once everything looks good, approve the transaction using your wallet's security features, like fingerprint or a PIN. After you confirm, the transfer should process quickly on the Solana blockchain. You can track it using a blockchain explorer like Solscan to ensure it reaches Bitmart safely. A few quick tips for 2025. Keep your wallet updated for the latest security patches, only use official apps, and never share your private keys. That's it. You've just sent Solana like a pro. Thanks for watching. If this helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more guides. Drop your questions in the comments below. See you next time.